Hey guys, Conox, welcome back to Roblox scripting. I think this is part 5 now. Been making a lot because I know this is a high demand. So let's get straight into it. We left off, we made an auto sell, a toggle, auto sell, right here, and we made an auto activate tool. So it would automatically click for you and get shut. Alright? Now, sure, that's cool and all, but what if we want to automatically progress? What if we want it to buy stuff for us, so we don't have to stop it, come to the shop, buy, and restart it again? Well, I'll help you with that right now, actually. Okay, so as you can see, most of these games, sorry, I'm a bit sick. Most of these games have a buy all button. And usually when you click them, it runs a remote that automatically tells the server, hey, this person wants to buy everything they can with the amount of money they have. Well, we can abuse this. Very easy to abuse. What I'm going to do is I'm going to execute the same script, the remote's buy. And we're going to check to see if it runs a remote when you click buy all. We're going to do storage first because I have no storage. Buy all. It did run. We're going to check what arguments. As you can see, category, storages, job, purchase all. Okay, so we can purchase all with that. Now we do tridents, purchase all. As you can see, it ran another remote. Tridents, purchase all. Storage, purchase all. Now, we want both, so we get more and better. So what we're going to do is this. 1 second. Let's see. Okay, so we're going to put this all in one. We're going to do G auto farm instead. So this auto farm, so if G dot auto farm is equal to true, then if G auto farm, okay, and then we're going to make another, actually. We're going to make another called G.AutoBuy. AutoBuy is equal to true. We're going to make it true automatically. And as you can see, we can just slap it in here right under our current script. Spawn function, so it won't stop running. While wait do are normal. And so we want it to run this remote every time, but we don't want to spam it too much or it can cause lag. So we're going to make it automatically buy every 1 second. Okay, we're going to make it buy both storage and tridents. If you wanted to make it one at a time, you could, but I think that's completely unnecessary. So we're going to make it both. Simple. All right, this remote spy will help you do this. So all we need to do actually is come over here. This is the buy all storage. We copy this and we can put it right here. This is the super easy part that a lot of script kiddies like to use to go ahead and do this. And honestly, I don't blame them. It's actually very efficient to go ahead and grab these tridents, buy all. And as you can see, it kind of defines it twice, and I don't want it to do that. So I'm just going to add a 1 at the end here, and we're going to just change this to A2, because I don't want them to be the exact same. And as you can see, it will work. We will go ahead and put a wait after this, just real quick. That's fine. And it will buy automatically. Okay? I promise you this works. I don't even have to test it. I know it works. Okay? That works. Now, rebirth. Sometimes they will fire something that allows you to rebirth automatically. So as you see, if you press the purchase button, job, rebirth. This can be made for an auto rebirth. So anytime you're ready to rebirth, you're good to go. How do we make this? Well, simple. We can do another. I forgot to add the toggle. I will add that here in just a second. Dot auto rebirth. Or we can just do, auto reb is equal to true. auto rebirth, while wait one do, if auto buy is equal, oh, hold on, if g dot auto buy is equal to true, then it runs this. And we can slap an end right here, format the document to make it look pretty. There we go. So if g auto buy is true, then it will auto buy everything every second. Now we want auto rebirth. We'll make it auto rebirth every second as well. So another spawn function, while wait do. Now we can do this. Auto rebirth is the same exact thing. Don't make it complicated on yourself. If there's an easy way out, like just copying and spamming remotes, take it. Take the way. Take the way out. Right here. But actually, I forgot I need to add the toggle. I keep forgetting to do that. That's my bad. Let me add this. So we do if g.autoreb is equal to true, then it runs this. We can just make this 3 everywhere, just in case. Extra precaution. And it will automatically rebirth every 1 second. Wait 1, so every second it will try to rebirth if this is activated. Okay, there you go. That's how you make an auto buy, auto rebirth. You could make an auto hatch egg, depending on what egg you want. Let's see, upgrade. Out of this, none of this is really necessary for automatically progressing. These would be really nice if you wanted to make this. So let's say you wanted to automatically open this egg every time. Well, every time you try to open one of these, it's probably going to send a remote. So that's what we're going to check right now. We press E. It opens one up right here. As you can see, opens it up. Got the pets, both automatically equipped. Perfect. Just what we needed. So now we know just to automatically open these. We're not going to check. Actually, we could check. If you want, you can make it check if you have this certain amount, so it doesn't automatically run the remote and kind of lag your game. So this is how you do that. I'm about to teach you guys right now. You open up Dark Decks. Okay. And you have to find exactly where it shows your gems. Here we are. See this? So it's going to be a little bit difficult because this is actually a string value. It's really hard for this. So actually we can't. You can, but it gets a little more complicated because it's a string value and it's not a number value. So we're actually not going to be doing that. What we're going to be doing is just actually running the remote every second, just like the other things. Simple. So we can just make this G auto be auto egg. Auto which egg? Oh, we're going to do this egg. Crystal. Auto C egg is equal to false. I don't want it to run because I just don't feel like running it. I don't want to open a bunch of pets right now. Actually, I'll make it the true. Never mind. True. Okay. So spawn function while wait do. We're gonna put these loops, and we're gonna make it run every probably 10 seconds for me at least, because it's gonna take a bit for me to get up to 10k gems. So I'm gonna make it happen every 10 seconds. So if g dot auto c egg is equal to true, then you need 2 equal signs, by the way. This is checking, like in an if statement, you have to have 2 equals. It's checking something. It's not setting something, which is usually just 1 equal sign. I forgot to explain that. Okay? And since it runs a remote every single time, we can just copy that remote, place it here. And we don't really need to change these, like the event names and all that, because it's in a whole other function. But just in case, I'm going to, because why not? I don't see a problem. Just in case. I mean, are they all the same? Okay, yeah, they are. That's my bad. You don't have to change the event because they use the same exact remote. I just figured that out. And there you go. Every 10 seconds, it will open the egg. Well, it looks like that's about it. Looks like you don't really need anything else for this game. That's about auto progressing. That's how you just automatically progress. And we will go ahead and actually test to make sure it works real quick, just for you guys. And we will make the other thing automatic as well. So what we have is the get gems. I'm pretty sure, do we have that in here? No, we do not. So what we got to do is we got to put this in here, I think. All right. We made this in the last one, and this worked. Go back to the very first video, and you guys will know exactly what I'm talking about. So we'll put these above here, and we'll do G auto gem, or auto gems is equal to true. It'll automatically bring the gems. We'll check. Spawn function, making the normal loop while wait do. Actually, we don't need to do this. I'm sorry. We can do this. We can just take this because it already loops for us. But we still need to check if the auto farm is true. If G dot, let's see, auto gems is equal to true, then, and then we can slap an end right here, format the document so it doesn't look ugly, and there we go. If it is on, then it will check. So let me explain. If a gem is added, gem C, which is the collectibles where all the gem models are, and if the auto farm is true, if it's on, then it will get all the gems and send them straight to you. And that's about it. That's how you do it. It's pretty easy. This will all work. And I'm gonna say this one more time. Do not execute it multiple times. It will fuck your game over. Okay. Oh, voice crack. Okay. So what you should do is execute all this. As you can see, everything seems to be working. If we unequip the trident, it will equip it right back. And it will keep going. And it's going to automatically buy. If we check, turn this off. By the way, if you have this open and you've run the script, it's going to spam remotes, filling this up and lagging your game. Press the remote buy button here to turn it off. As you can see, it right now is auto rebirth, auto purchase trident, auto tool activate, yep, auto rebirth, purchase storage, everything's working perfectly. As you can see, I've got more storage. I've gotten the new trident. I no longer have the devil one. It's all working like a charm. And if you want, you already know how to delete the notifications. I understand that's annoying. We can go ahead and slap that in there just because. We can actually put that right here so it'll automatically get rid of it. So we go here and player GUI, and we learned that flybys is where they're all kept. Copy path, put the path in here, and this is the name of my character. What you should do is probably put game.players.localplayer.name. This will reference your player. .player GUI .flybys. Destroy. Easy. Then, since it's all done and executed, I'll go ahead and execute this separately now. So you see, no more annoying pop-ups, everything's collecting. And if we go to, let's see, yes, after this is ran, you need to not execute it again. What you need to do is you need to grab these. I need to put this here, right? Yeah. Or did I just, no, we're good. You need to get these, and you need to put them in like a separate little script here. Let me make sure there's nothing important here. Yep. Okay. Put these here. If you change them, they'll stop. Auto farm, false. But you want everything else to run? Done. See? Everything else is running. As you can see, it's collecting the gems. It is auto buying if it is collecting the gems. As you can see, it is running. And let's see, did it auto buy a pet? It auto buy multiple pets, actually. You can only equip 2 at a time. I'm not going to be making an, actually, I will go ahead, let's see how much time we have. 16 minutes? Oh, we have plenty of time. There is an equip best button, so we'll go ahead and do that now. What we're going to do is we're going to unequip these pets. We're going to press the equip pet button here in a second. But we're going to have to be quick because I have the thing running. Actually, I can change it auto false. Change it auto false real quick. And it all stops running. As you can see, I turn it on. Nothing's running. That is perfect. So if we equip best, we click that. It should run. And as you can see, it'll automatically equip best. This is just another function for us to make. We can just break the game even more, guys. It's that simple. Let's go ahead and do it, shall we? What we do, G, EQ best, or EQ, yeah, we'll do EQ best is equal to true. And then we'll go P, because EQ best pet is equal to true. And then we'll do another loop at the bottom if you want, or wherever. Spawn function, while, wait, and we'll equip it. We'll equip the best ones every 10 seconds again. It's unnecessary to automatically constantly equip them for me, because it takes me a while to get the right gems, right? I'll wait to do if G dot EQ best pet is equal to true, then you fire this remote, it'll automatically equip the best. And we can just change these. I'll change this to just add an extra one there. And so it'll automatically equip the best pet. So let me redo, actually, yeah, I'll go ahead and show you guys. So rejoin. This all works. And I'm gonna need other suggestions from you guys as to what kind of games to make scripts on to show you all, and the type of scripts I should make. What other things I could show you guys, because I'm gonna run out of ideas soon, and I'm just gonna keep doing other games so we can get a better feel on how it is. Okay, so we ended up with 100 lines of code just to break this that hard, to auto farm that hard, is insane. Okay, so I'm not going to test if it works yet. I'm going to try one more thing with you guys. I want to try to see if you can stop it from, so you see how there's a delay every time you click? That's getting on my nerves. I want it to spam. I want to spam the shit out of it. But there might be a certain kind of server-sided cooldown. So we're going to check real quick. Depends on what it's used for, or what is being used on it. Excuse me. So I'm going to go ahead, stop this. I'm going to go grab a script real quick. I know exactly where it is. Let's see. Here should be. No, I'll put it in here. All right. Come down here. Find the script. I've made it a while ago. Oh, I think I took it out because it caused... Nope, here it is right here, actually. Perfect. This might not work on this game, but we're going to find out real quick. I want to see if it works. I'm not going to show you guys because this is actually... oh. There we go. This... Actually, I don't mind showing you guys. I don't give a fuck anymore. It's fine. So, I can't explain this, but all you're doing here is you're going to hook function the weight, and if they are using weight as a cooldown, it will break. So, let's see, and we'll make this a global variable. So g.ncd test, or ncd t as in test, is equal to true. No cooldown test. Going down. If b and g.ncd t is equal to true, then return ASD and return ASBD. There we go. Now this might not work, but it's worth a shot anyway. Let's give it a shot. As you see, it doesn't look like it worked if you spam it right now. So some of these, it's probably server side type thing. So we can take this out and we can take this out because it's not being used anymore. And there you go. Auto equip the best pet you buy, auto sell, auto everything. It works flawlessly. We can go ahead and turn this to false real quick, everything. And I don't think there's anything else I need to show you guys really. If you have anything, oh well, could make an auto capture maybe. We could test it. So first things first, whenever you capture something, it's usually server sided. So you're gonna have to check the server if it is or not. Oh, I forgot to do the equip best. G.eq best pet is equal to false. There we go. Just added that real quick, and we're gonna go see what happens if you try to well, somebody's gonna kill me actually. Can you kill somebody? Okay, that's not gonna work. It's just me activating my tool. Yeah, thought so. We couldn't capture it because somebody else is on it right now. That's kind of bitch thing to do, but it's fine. We will worry about that later. I see there's some islands up here. I might go up there, and I might make a couple other. If there are like other shops and shit, we can make a whole ass thing on this. If you guys want, it's up to you. I'll look around one more time, see if there's anything else of interest. Oh yeah, see? Oh yeah. Looks like we can make a automatic unlock for all these. But we'd have to jump all the way up there, and I don't think I can. Ah, I know how now. I don't think we won't need to do this in a script. We won't need to automatically buy upgrades, because not only will they probably be expensive, as you can see, they are just a waste because you're going to be automatically rebirthing. I do not want to. Okay, I'm actually gonna use. So ignore this script, but it's a little fly thing that as you can see, this is really old. I just use it to get this admin because I can't find it anywhere else. So fly. Oh, they have a little fly. They have a little anti-cheat for that. That's good. That's just a little cheat I use sometimes just for flying or whatever. Let's see. I'm going to check to see if there's any way islands. Oh boy. Here we go. Okay. There's a chest for every island. We can make an auto collect chest. Auto unlock every island. how to unlock every island. It's probably like every other simulator. You just get up there. So let's find the first one. Seaweed Island. Okay. Seaweed Island. We go to map. And if we find... Let's just TP... Okay. We're going to make a quick script for this. Auto unlock all islands. Okay. This one will take a little more time because we're going to have to go through every island. So we'll do this in the next video. Hope you guys learned something. And let's break this game together.